What's the meaning of colonist? Colonist. Colonist.
Colonist. Colonist. A colonist is a person who settles in a new place, typically for political, religious, or economic reasons. The word colonist is often associated with the European colonization of the Americas, Africa, and Australia. Colonists often face challenges such as adapting to new cultures and environments, dealing with hostile native populations, and establishing their own communities and systems of government. While the concept of colonization has been controversial due to its often violent and oppressive nature, it has played a significant role in shaping the modern world.